Good morning, guys. I hope you are healthy, happy, and fine. And building Biogenomics Lab in UAE and Singapore, I had realized that there is a more chance that we can explore in the sites of placental health, as we know that the human evolution is growing day by day, and upgradation in science, especially like the day of prompting like ChatGPT, OpenAI, and AGI, and all things are going far better in technology and driven the things. I had realized that there is a more opportunity in biogenomics, especially in making digital twins and decoding the genome or DNA and making the digital twins for digital accessibility of all the peoples, just like a non-profit. There is a more opportunity that what we are building for society, or there is a more or things inside which is more preferable. More above the insights that during my academics we are working on anti-obesity medicines or pills, but large and focused on that I had realized the more about that there is a more genomic sequencing in DNA or CRISPR. So we have to build a solid preferred line that what we are building, we are not going for bloodline, we will go for genomics line or biogenomics marker. Followed by that, in our lab, that is Sarania 65 lab, we are building different digital twin and try to access and making a clinical trial protocol based molecule or a specific API that will work on DNA molecular sequencing level. Followed by that, I was reading a insight that placenta play a significant role from class 8 or class ninth, that we read that placenta is the lifeline barrier for human health, especially during embryonic development or fetal development. Placenta will do almost 100% from 0 to 1 when during the gestation period, from the day one of conceiving baby to delivery the baby. It comes like a sac like structures, and from oxygen extraction, administration, metabolism, and cognitive function in any baby or inside the fetal or inside the womb, everything done by placenta. And placenta is considered as the lifeline, and it will contains 99.99% of efficient protein which is good for their baby or good for fetal life. Large on the molecular side which I had considered, or which I had find out during the 9 month of gestation period, or the each and every activity, cognitivity, body development, and like blood, body, heart, kidney, reproductive organ, everything will be developed during the placental during that time via the help of what the mother is eating, and what the nutrition come through the baby all come from placenta. So why not we will more focus on placental health, that is more on that the more significant side. There is a 8.25 billion population. If we will make more uh, broad spectrum research in placenta, different types of protein extractions, and that protein extraction will be isolated in a different CRISPR or different API form, and put that extracted protein in clinical trial or animal lab testing methods, different OPEC methods, or uh, different clinical trial methodology, that what we are doing and what the amount of API we are putting by the different dosing and duration. I'm 100% sure reverse aging, blood thinning, hypertension, myocardial infarctions, erectile dysfunctions, number of fertility, especially in women healthcare, we can improve on the basic marker level. We can improve 2x 3x or almost 100%. We can got the advancement and we can get the result. I'm 100% sure the funding side and the research amount of money we are try to get, or we are putting our on, I am more in focus that we will build sooner or later. We will we will build the placental health and the significant, especially the AGI level of accuracy, efficiency in reverse aging, anti-obesity, and body to healthy parameters like vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin B deficiency, D deficiency, what we are doing through the genomics level or the placental health level. I'm 100% sure the amount of research going through nature and different uh, university research, private institution going, especially in Chinese university, they are doing phenomenal. And compared to Singapore and UAE, I am probably and mostly we are focused on Singaporean sites that because government is too supportive and all the reference and resources is provided, all the talents came from India, especially my friend, me and my friend, we both are building. And uh, making a private lab or making a own R&D center, it is very hard to get the uh, regulation and certifications. I would love to request and love to uh, request to each and every authority that what we are building, it's a phenomenal and significant things. And very sooner and later we will make a digital twins for Sarania Lab, that is our biogenomics R&D center. And from that Sarania Lab, we had introduced one more topic or one more research driven API project, that is Placenta Lab. In that Placenta Lab, we will work on uh, fetal life, embryogenesis, different types of women healthcare API for after post and pre bottom development, and more or lesser there is a more probability that we can enhance the human health, reproductive health, quality of life, post bottom health, and pre conceiving health. I'm 100% sure a lot of people will come, a lot of open funding and a lot of talent come inside that, and measure the chances this is the era that we can quantitatively and computingly will be more efficient. And I'm 100% sure the clinical trial side will be more favorable for us, and what we are building from different types of animal lab testing and human trial protocol will go sooner and faster. And I'm 100% sure things are more perfect, that we want to build something better for humanity, and we will build for masses. Industrial manufacturing will be on side by side. So I don't know what is the future or what is the government funding, but we are putting our own blood, sweat, and tear and dedicated our life towards scientific temperament, that what we are getting in the age from the age of Nokia to the age of AGI. I will contribute something better for this humanity. This is my way, and I am very specifically focused towards that. Clinical trial will be more easier. Country like India, government of India have to focus about that. The population strength and base is more favorable, and the SOP or borderline is more convenient. And I'm 100% sure the medicine plays significant factors in human growth or human evolution. Clinical medicine are more significant, and the number of disease and the number of patient coming with respect to the treatment and cure, that is more significant. And I am 100% sure the more hospitals and more clinical agency will support us, and we will build it something better for this humanity. And I want to make the digital twins for each and every almost 8.25 billion population, because there is a ultimate need, there is a ultimate requirement, and it's an essential part. For that there is a requirement of compute quanting or quantum compute infrastructures, lab, a lot of fundings. And it's a request to all the investors, please come and join our hands, and let's build humanity more affordable, abundance, clean, greenery, and epigenetically and biogenomic level more important and significant. And my point of view that we are building biogenomics lab, under that we will make medicine for humanity. We are not in the terms of a profit driven company. We are in the favor or in the focus of humanity towards building something specific. And I think products derivation and API play a significant role to evaluate the things. And I'm more on that. Later and sooner, we will go for the product developmental side and clinical trial side. And it's our strong belief that we can serve the humanity better way. That's my side. And have a great day. Namaskara. Thank you. Bye.